Hello and welcome back to the Canyonman Raj YouTube channel and my outdoor adventures. Today I am lucky enough to have my dad Wilmer with me, and he's standing right here, and I have my mom in the background. But today we are in a very cool spot. We're a little bit north of Albuquerque in the Rio Grande Bosque. It's a cool spot. The Bosque here in New Mexico and in the Rio Grande Valley is said to be one of the largest ones of its kind in the world, which it stretches for about 200 miles from just south of Santa Fe to south of Socorro to the wildlife refuge in the Bosque del Apache. Another cool thing about it is this is a really popular migratory route for many different kinds of ducks and geese, and we're going to take a walk down here into the bosque and see what we can find. All right, here we go. Yeah, it is. Summertime is kind of what it looks like. Okay, well, you can see in the background we got the river, and then back up behind me are the Sandia Mountains. And it looks like they are maybe even getting some snow today, and more coming tomorrow. But yeah, this is a beautiful area. Alright, we're gonna head on upriver here and see what we can find. Sure is a beautiful morning here. We are in the second week of January. It's January 12th, and we're lucky enough to live here in the desert Southwest, where we can get out and enjoy days like this in the wintertime. And you can see the snow up on the Sandias. Buddy running through here. Look at that. Coyote running right by us here. Okay, so another interesting fact here about the Rio Grande is it is the second largest river here in the Southwest, which from behind me looking at it, it doesn't look very big, but we are in the desert, so keep that in mind. We're lucky to have a place like this to come check out. Okay, well, another interesting fact about the Rio Grande Bosque here is in one of the recently published field manuals with biologists doing their investigations, they have counted over 500 species of animals that live in this 200-mile stretch of the bosque here, which I thought was just amazing. And we've already seen squirrels, we've seen 3 different coyotes around here. And another fact that they say is that there's over 24 different kinds of native fish that also reside in this river. Now, one of the problems is we're in the 2nd year of a drought, and so that's become an issue for a lot of these fish. We've got some geese flying in here behind me. You can probably hear them. So, moving on. Okay, well, I'd give you a little more detailed information on where I'm at, but obviously I'm here in on the Rio Grande in the Bosque, and to the west of me is Rio Rancho up on the hill behind me there, and to the south, downriver, is Albuquerque, probably about 10 miles, and then to the east of me, on the other side of the river, is all Sandia Pueblo, and then beyond that, the Sandia Mountains. And then you are looking north back behind me, and that is the direction of Bernalillo, which is probably about 4 miles. So I'm right in the middle of all this city area, and it's just awesome to be able to come and see a forest like this. And it's just amazing that something like this exists in the middle of the city like this. It's really cool. Love it. Okay, so we're going to move on. Alright, well, we've turned around and we are headed back towards the vehicle. It's been a beautiful morning. A little disappointed didn't get to see more wildlife than what we did see. We saw some coyotes and seen a few geese and a few ducks, but the best part is just getting out and enjoying nature. This is a gem that New Mexico has here, running right through Albuquerque and through the state. 200 miles of beautiful bosque, and we're lucky. Those of us here in the desert have a place like this to go to. Little oasis here in the desert. Actually a 200-mile oasis here in the desert. Alright, we're going to take this staircase and go down next to the river. But I just noticed there are snowflakes flying in the air here, which is kind of unexpected. We weren't expecting that until tomorrow. But, okay, we're going to head down some stairs here. Well, you get down in here into the thickets and you would never know. You're basically in the city. This is a beautiful area. I think one of the concerns is this is a dying forest, simply because cottonwoods need flooding every now and then in order to rejuvenate the new life of cottonwoods, and because of the reservoirs built up and down the Rio Grande, we don't have the flooding events anymore to help these bosque forests survive. So I hate to say it, but this may be a dying forest. trailhead. Back to where we started. Okay, well, we're done with our hike. We're back to the trailhead. Gonna take Mom and Dad home. But I want to thank you for watching the Canyonman Raj YouTube channel and my outdoor adventures. Always looking for new subscribers. Thumbs up are always appreciated. And stay tuned for the next outdoor adventure. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up.